asked you specifically, don't answer commonly. And yeah, so this is second speed test for us, which is going to happen in chemistry. And last week of, hopefully, like, I hope all of you have seen the physics marks and what do you call, and I hope you would have also read my comments which I've mentioned, all of you, isn't it? Yes or no?
Sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I hope you will try to do better in this test, and then let's see for the next test also how we are going to be there. And it's pretty. I understand that those who are all very serious of JEE or NEET or ICAR will take part in such kind of test, and will get benefited out of it, because this is a way to be conducted. This is a way to, you need to progress. So hopefully you will understand the seriousness of it and why I'm doing this, and then cooperate with me and participate in such tests today as well as in future. So see. We said the timing is 7 o'clock, and let's see how many have joined as of now. How many have joined as of now? Pranisha madam, how many have joined as of now?
Actually, people are still joining, sir. Totally, there were 60 participants, sir.
Okay, okay, let's see. Let everybody keep your videos on, all of you. Keep videos on. Jay Shri, Shweta Kamalam, Ashvika Vardhani, Shweta. Shweta, I've checked your paper very detailedly last time. Okay, you have done a lot of things. I could see some improvement in you. Very good. Shweta Kamalam. And Sylvia Angel, Ambarish, Asha Saji. Good evening, all. Where is Sri Karthik? I can't see. Harini, I can't see. Rahul, I can't see. The moment I'm not able to see you, I'll remove you from the test. Make the test very serious. Dejavi, can't see you. Vishwak, how are you?
I'm doing good, sir.
Okay. Your health is good only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Karthik. Is it giving you a different experience writing this test? Nobody is talking.
Sir, yes, sir, it's a different experience.
Let's see, because let's see how you're going to accommodate yourself to the timings. That's very important. Because when you get enough time, and you get a question paper and you have enough time, and you take a lot of time to think, and it never happens. Let's see how we're going to admit the timing, accept the timing, and then do the test. Let's see. And then there are few more tests which I'm planning, which I'll come back to you in the next couple of days. Like, what are those tests? They'll be totally different experience. All right, Samyukta, I can't see you. Dejavi, I can't see you. Keep your videos on. Once the test is on, I won't allow anybody. Keep the test. Keep your videos on, all of you. So the rule is same. Once the test is starts, a teacher will be reading the test. Shruti is there? Shruti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm
keep
here
it.
only, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Once the test is started, we'll keep reading the question, and you can answer. And this time, the answer sheets I want only in mail. Okay, no WhatsApp. And this test has to go to mygurujichemistry21@gmail.com. Hope all of you would have received such emails today through WhatsApp group. You would have received. So all the tests has to be scanned and sent. No WhatsApp, because WhatsApp last time we took a lot of time to read. Few were not very clear. So we took a lot of time, teachers took a lot of time to understand the image. It was not very clear. So this time we expect everything in mail, so that authenticity will be clear, and we'll have more clarity. So time as of now it's 7. So 7:02 I'll be starting. I'll be waiting 2 more minutes. So 7:02 will start. If anybody is having network issues to start the test, I'm ready to give right exactly time. Selva, Vignesh, how are you? Rajashri, Ambarish, Siddharth, Vishwak, Rahul, Tarun, Harini is there, Sri Krishna, Livin Ricardo, Sibi Ruben, Samyukta, can't see Abhinay, Kanishka, I can't see. Is Kanishka there? No, Kanishka is not there. Sri Karthik, Vishwak, yeah. No, I think time is up. Teachers now don't accept anybody inside now. That's all. We given time till 7:02. So let's see that. Because now, yeah, let's start. All of you ready? So whenever you're working out, if any working out is there, suppose there is a multiple in multiple choice question, if there is a working out, please show it on the right side of the question, answer itself, how you worked out. In case you are with more clarity, if you are with more clarity of that, how you got that answer, please show me right side itself. The again, I mean next to the answer, kindly show me the workout area in the answer sheet. Is it okay? Yeah. So we'll start the question now. Madam, please start the question and don't accept anybody now inside the class. Yeah. The first question of today's chemistry speed test. Please start. Please start.
The molar elevation constant depends upon option A, nature of the solute, option B, nature of the solvent, option C, vapor pressure of the solution, option D, enthalpy change.
Madam, no need of reading the options, only
Okay,
question to
sir.
be read.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, 13 seconds over. 18 seconds. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 50 seconds. 1 minute is over. Not to change the question. Who's changing the question? Last 30 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Yes, change the question. Question number 2.
The Van Hoff factor accounts for degree of solubilization of solute, the extent of dissociation of solute, the extent of dissolution of the solute, the degree of decomposition of the solution.
So 10 seconds. Siddharth, I can't see you. Where? Why Siddharth? Yeah. If you switch off your
Kanishka,
camera, I won't allow you to write.
Kanishka's camera is off, sir.
40 seconds. Kanishka, switch on your camera. Vishal and Kanishka, otherwise leave this group. Kanishka, switch on. Switch on your camera. Vishal, switch on your camera. 1 minute is over. Can somebody remove
Sir, due
Kanishka
to
and
network
Vishal?
issues, I can't turn on the video, sir.
Remove. Somebody remove Shruti or Ranisha. Remove Kanishka and Vishal.
Okay, sir.
1 minute 15 seconds is over.
I have removed Kanishka.
Vishal also. One minute 30 seconds.
He turned on, sir.
Last 30 seconds. Sorry, last 40 seconds. Vishal is not turning on. Yeah, it's okay.
No, sir, he turned on.
Yeah, change. 1 second. Yeah, change the question. Third question. Please read.
People add sodium chloride to water while boiling eggs. This is to decrease the boiling point, increase the boiling point, prevent the breaking of eggs, making eggs tasty.
10 seconds.40 seconds. One minute. Sylvia, I'm not able to see your paper, okay? Sylvia, Jayashree and all, Ambarish and all, I'm not able to see the table at all. Ashvika Vardhini. Yeah. Last 10 seconds. Please change the question.
Osmotic pressure of solution is 0.0821 atomic pressure unit at a temperature at 300 Kelvin. The concentration in moles per liter will be 0.33, 0.66, 0.0033.
$25 seconds. Hari Krishna, what are you doing? Sri Hari Krishna, are you writing? Don't answer me. 1 minute is over. 1 minute 40 seconds. Yes, change the question.
Which has the lowest boiling point at 1 atm pressure? 0.1 m KCl, 0.1 m urea, 0.1 m CaCl2, 0.1 m aluminum chloride. Shruti, you have changed the
10
question.
seconds. 10 question. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. Question number 5. We are at question number 5. Thirty seconds. Forty-five seconds. I can't see Srikari Krishna writing. I can't see your hand. I can't see what are you doing. One minute, 18 seconds. I can't see Yashwant Roy. Yeah, it's okay, Yashwant. Dejavi Vishal. 1 minute, 37 seconds. Tarun. Levin Ricardo. Yeah. Last 10 seconds. Please change the question.
The boiling point of an azeotropic mixture of water and ethanol is less than that of water and ethanol. The mixture shows no deviation from Rolle's law, positive deviation from Rolle's law, negative deviation from Rolle's law, that the solution is unsaturated.
10 seconds. Forty seconds. Shruti, hope you are also checking the students.
Sir, I'm checking, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay, last 10 seconds. Please change the question.
Which of the following condition is not satisfied by an ideal solution? Del H mixing is equal to 0, del V mixing is equal to 0, Rolle's law is obeyed, formation of azeotropic mixture.
Twenty seconds. 40 seconds. One minute. One minute, 30 seconds. Yes. Last 10 seconds. Change the question.
Out of molality, molarity, formality, and mole fraction, those which are independent of temperature are.
We are at question number 8. Forty seconds. One minute. Yeah, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Change the question.
Mole fraction of glycerin C3H5OH of thrice in solution containing 36 gram of water and 46 gram of glycerin is 0.46, 0.40, 0.20, 0.36.
Renisha, there is a sound disturbance when you are reading the question, like sound is not clear, proper. So kindly correct it for the next
Okay, sir.
question.
Yes, sir.
30 seconds. Forty-five seconds. One minute. Samyukta and all, I think, sitting on a sofa only. Next time it has to be corrected. Otherwise, I will not allow you to write this test. I need to see the writing table. Sitting on sofa, it's not good sitting and writing in a test on a sofa. Writing table is not seen. 1 minute 35 seconds. One minute 45 seconds. Yes. Change the question. Change the question.
In the following question, a statement of assertion followed by a statement of reason is given. Choose the answer out of the following choices. Assertion. When methyl alcohol is added to water, boiling point of water increases. Reason. When a volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent, elevation in boiling point is observed. Assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is correct explanation. Assertion and reason both are correct statements, but reason is not a correct explanation. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. Assertion and reason both are incorrect.
40 seconds. One minute. One minute 35 seconds. Yoheshwaran and Tarun and Levin, all are sitting properly. Yeah, last 10 seconds. Sri Hari Krishna is okay now. Yes, change the question. Changing the question. Yeah.
Relative lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property because it depends on the concentration of a non-electrolyte solute in solution and does not depend on the nature of the solute molecules. It depends on the number of particles of electrolyte solution in solution and does not depend on the nature of solute particles. It depends on the concentration of a non-electrolyte solute in the solution as well as the nature of the solute molecules. It depends on the concentration of an electrolyte or non-electrolyte solute in solution as well as the nature of the solute molecules.
– 40 seconds. – 53 seconds. We are on question number 11. Jayashree is good. Sylvia Angel, Kansi, Arsha Saji. Her table is good. Sibi Ruban, almost good, but not. Devadarshini, I can't see her table. Shahrukh, I can't see its table. Abhinay is okay. Rahul, I can't see its table. Samyukta switched off the camera. Why? 1 hour 30 minutes. Samyukta, if not listening, immediately will remove you. Samyukta, are you there? Yeah, remove Samyukta here. Please remove.
Okay, sir.
Samyukta. Yeah. So 1 minute 50 seconds. Yeah, change the question now. Please change the question. Changing the question. Question number 12. Yeah. Start.
1 second, sir. Actually, I was. Benzoic acid, when dissolved in benzene, which of the following is correct? The benzoic acid will undergo dissociation. The benzoic acid will undergo association. Observed molar mass of benzoic acid in benzene will less than the normal molar mass. Observed molar mass of benzoic acid in benzene is more than normal molar mass.
20 seconds. Forty-five seconds. One minute. Yeah, last 15 seconds of this question. Question number 12. We are at question number 12 and last 10 seconds now. Yes. Change the question. Question number 13.
Which of the following is correct? KH increases with increase in temperature. Solubility of gas in liquid decreases with increase in temperature. KH decreases with increase in temperature. Solubility of gas in liquid increases with increase in temperature. Note, 2 or more options may be correct for the above question. KH means Henry Last constant. Okay.
Shruti, if next question onwards, can you read? Is it with you? 35 seconds. Is Shruti there?
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir. I will read, sir.
Yeah, next question onwards. 49 seconds. One minute is over. Yeah. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yes. Change the question.
Which has the highest freezing point? 1 molar glucose, 1 molar NaCl, 1 molar calcium chloride, 1 molar aluminum trifluoride.
Ten seconds. Neena Shri is good. Harini, I can't see your table. Neena Shri is good. And yeah, I am able to see her writing, but not Harini this time. Yeah, I think almost okay, but you still need clarity. 1 minute is over. I can't see Siddharth. I can't see you. Yeah. Okay. We are at question number 14. Asha Suji is perfectly sitting. Could see Ambarish. Okay. Siddharth, it's okay. Not perfect. Karthik is okay. Perfect. Srihari, no, it's okay. Siddhi Rupan. Yeah. Change the question.
The temperature at which 10% aqueous solution W by V of a glucose will show the osmotic pressure 16.4 atoms are equal to 0.082 liter atoms K to the power -1 mole to the power -1.
Yeah, 15 seconds. We are at question number 15. Abhinay, I can't see you. Yeah, okay. No. Harun Pradeep. Harini. 1 minute 20 seconds is over. Rakesh Ram is absent in this test. Kanishka we remove, and yes. Should we change the question?
If molality of dilute solution is doubled, the value of modal dispersion constant Kf will be.
We are at 16th question. Twenty seconds. One minute is over. Yeah, last 10 seconds. Please change the question.
Which of the following is incorrect for ideal solution? Delta H mix equal to 0, delta V equal to 0, delta P equal to P observation minus P calculator, delta G mix equal to 0.
Forty seconds. CP Rupan, are you writing or doing something else? Don't answer me. I'm just checking with you. I am not able to feel that you are writing. Vishal. Tarun. Vishal is Vishal is there. Yoheshwaran. Yes. Change the question.
At 100 degrees Celsius, the vapor pressure of a solution of 6.5 gram of solute in 100 gram of a water is 732 mm. If KBID 0.52 K by M, the boiling point of the solution will be.
We are at 18th question. Since it has been since the test is chemistry, don't just try like any one answers. Give me some area I'll be looking at for the explanatory area also, like how you have calculated or how you have derived the answer. Don't just go for a guessing. If I feel doubtful that you would have guessed it, I need to recheck your answers in that case. Yes, change the question.
When 1 mole of benzene is mixed with 1 mole of toluene, vapor pressure of benzene equal to 12.8 kPa, toluene equal to 3.5 kPa. The vapor will contain equal amount of benzene and toluene. Not enough information is provided. The vapor will contain a high percentage of benzene. The vapor will contain high percentage of toluene.
We are at 19th question. Six more questions. Thirty seconds. Yes, last 15 seconds. Please change the question.
What is the mole of fraction of a solute in 1 m aqueous solution? 0.0354, 0.0177, 0.177, 1.770.
From the last test to this test, I think many have come up with proper sitting position. Good movement. Good change. Vishal is perfectly sitting. Good. Meenashri is good. So now 1 minute 15 seconds. Siddharth, Ambarish. Yes. Change the question.
Concentrated H2SO4 is 98%. H2SO4 by mass has density equal to 1.84 grams centimeter cube. Volume of the acid required to make 1 liter of 0.1 molar of H2SO4 is.
Twenty seconds. Siddharth, next time I wanted to see your table. Perfect. Yeah, that's okay. 11 Ricardo, 11 Salkesh, Sylvia Angel. I can't see her table. Paper I can't see. Sylvia Angel's paper I'm not able to see. Nena Shri. Yeah, okay. Now it's 1 minute. Last 20 seconds. Stop. Change the question.
A solution containing 1 gram per deciliter of urea is isotonic with 5% of solution of non-volatile solute. MB of solute is.
Understand the question properly and think whatever your way you have studied, the method you have studied, and then answer. If there is a working out, that also show on the paper right side of the answer. Three more questions to go. People who are not confident, they cannot attend such kind of test. It will be difficult. So obviously they will be skipping it, such test, unless until they are very confident with their subject. But of course, keeping all those things in mind and trying is also something better. Someone who has come forward to try, that is also better. Yeah, change the question.
The value of Henry constant Kh is
Ambarish, Levin, record all, start thinking. Thinking. Vishal. Vishal, I think very confident. Yeah, Vishal is sitting, showing me the paper and sitting. Means very confident of the answer. Let's see. Tarun, Pradeep, Tarun. Sri Hari Krishna, why your camera is off? Sri Hari Krishna, where are you? Why your camera is off? If camera goes off, then I'll have to remove you. No chance. Let's respect everybody in the exam hall. Nobody has to be done that. Everybody is sitting with a lot of seriousness and attending the exam. So one alone cannot be given any permissions. When camera goes off, that particular question will be taken as no mark. Because I'm recording this right. So I'll be reading it again and again, the video, before I correct the marks. So from that question, I'll remove you. No marks will be given in case camera goes off. Yeah, let's move on to the next question.
so the following statement is false. Two different solutions of sucrose of same molality prepared in different solvent will have the same dispersion in freezing point. The osmotic pressure of a solution is given by the equation Pi equal to CRT. Decreasing order of osmotic pressure for 0.01 molar aqueous solution of barium chloride, potassium chloride, and acetic chloride and sucrose is given. According to Raoult's law, the vapor pressure is exerted by a volatile component of a solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction of solution.
Yes, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Change the question.
Yeah, unripe mango is placed in a concentrated salt solution to prepare pickle shrivels because it gains water due to osmosis, it loses water due to reverse osmosis, It gains water due to reverse osmosis. It loses water due to osmosis.
Forty-five seconds. One minute. Yes, last 30 seconds. Yes, all of you stop writing now. Stop. Keep your pen down. Stop writing. All of you stop writing. I said stop writing. Please don't write anything. Now, what I want you to do is that actually next 1 minute. Now, I think we are exactly on 50 minutes. We have completed 25 into 2. 50 minutes is completed. Now, you look at it. What I wanted is all of you tell me your name and show me the answer sheet on the video. One by one. Just I wanted to ask. Yeah, all of you. Anyone can start one by one. Please, immediately. Start from Ari Shankar. Start. Yeah, Tarun, start here. Yeah, shown. Okay, next.
Sir Harishankar.
Next. Yeah, immediately. I don't have time. Okay, next. Next.
Vignesh.
Okay. Next.
Sir Abhinaya.
Okay. Next.
Yashwant sir.
Sir Tejali.
Okay.
Sir Ashwika sir.
Okay.
Sir Vishwak sir.
Sylvia sir.
Okay.
CB Ruben sir.
Rahul.
Okay. Asha Sati. Okay.
Siddharth.
Siddharth.
Harini sir.
Okay. Okay.
Rahul sir.
Okay.
Arjun sir.
Okay. Joheshwaran Senthil. Yeah.
Sir.
Okay.
Levin sir.
Next.
Sir Levin.
Okay. Solid. Living. Okay. Okay. Jayashree has shown me. Yeah. Oh. All right. Okay. Now, so time is now 8 o'clock. What I want is this paper. I want 8-5 in my mail. That Guruji, my Guruji, chemistry 21@gmail.com. So all of you, best of luck till next exam, and wait for my paper correction and my comments. Work for the next exam. Do good. All the best. Take care. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please stop it. Yeah.
Okay, sir.